Hi guys, this is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else. Thank you for joining us today. We are coming to you on Monday for Make It in Minutes Monday. We're going to be creating this quick, simple card right here. Miss Kayla came up with this design and I think it is absolutely adorable. So to get started, we're going to be using the Count on Me, the little penguin that's flying. We're going to be using the Biggest Wish stamp set. We're going to be using some pearls. These are the ink colors we're going to be using. We're going to be using the embossing folder, the Tasteful Textiles. I'm going to take that because we're going to do that first. These are the blends, Stampin' Blends we're using. And then I already got all our stamps mounted on clear blocks. So to get started, we are going to need our balmy blue ink. And we're going to take our Happy. We're going to tap that a few times in our ink, get that nice and inky. I'm just kind of double checking to make sure we got it. And we're going to stamp that right on the front. Now we're going to take our card base, which is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And what I'm going to do right away is, since I do have my balmy blue ink out, I'm going to stamp the birthday. Next, we're going to do our embossing because this is dry now. You're going to need your plate number 1. Has all our instructions on here. Since this is a 3D embossing folder, we're going to use plate number 1, our embossing folder, and then plate number 4 on top. With our embossing folders for Stampin' Up, we have this line right here. And what that does is it just helps make sure that you got a straight line if you choose to do so. Always place the flat edge, the folded edge in, and then we're just going to layer it with our plate number 4. We're going to take our Happy and our Birthday. I'm going to wash this off. And we're going to bring in our Smoky Slate ink. We're going to take our next white piece, which is just 1/8 of an inch cut off, and we're just going to randomly stamp our Happy and Birthday. Now we're going to take our tape and adhere this to the card base. All right, so little penguin. We're going to use Memento ink. Now we're going to take our pumpkin pie, the dark one, color them in. Take our dark balmy blue. Come in with our color lifter. And now we're going to cut them out. Next, what Kayla did is she did the outlining with the light with the light pool party, just to draw a little bit more attention to him. Now you can do this before you cut it, or you can do it after like I am. And it's just coloring on where the white pieces are. Okay, so next we can add him to our little Happy. All right, now since I already stuck glue on there, I think I'll put a little bit more on him. We're ready to line this up. Now you can stick a glue dot back behind there, which I did not do, but I kind of like it sticking up a little. All right, last but not least, we're going to be adding our pearls for a cute little accent. We really hope you enjoyed this card. Kayla did such an absolute adorable job creating it. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Be sure to give this video a like and to subscribe to our channel. We'll have details listed on our blog later on today. Thank you so much.